你好, welcome to MandarinKit. If you enjoy traveling in China, you must learn how to buy a train ticket. 买火车票. In this video, we're going to learn about the Chinese character 票 together with its words and sentence examples. Nowadays, 票 means tickets or ballots. However, in ancient time, the character indicated the wavering fire. After many years of evolution, the form of piào has changed a lot. It is now categorized under the radical of 是, to show, to express, which is related to wishes and blessing. The top component of piào transformed into ya, which looks very similar to 西, the west. So, to remember the character of piào, imagine a person show 出示 a train ticket in order to travel to 西, the west, where there's a bird flies back to its nest to rest, and that is 票. 票 is ticket. We can add other words in front of 票 to specify what kind of ticket it is. For example, 火车票 is train ticket. 飞机票 air ticket. 电影票 movie ticket. 门票 literally the gate ticket. It is the entrance ticket. Now, let's learn the 8 words associated with the character 票. First word, 订票. 订 means to book. 订票 to book a ticket. 现在网上订票十分方便. 现在 now. 网上 online. 十分 extremely or very. 方便 convenient. 现在网上订票十分方便. Nowadays, it is very convenient to book tickets online. So, 你网上订票了吗? Have you booked any tickets online? Second word, 购票. 购 is the more formal way of saying 买, to buy or to purchase. 购票 is to purchase a ticket. 车站的购票大厅里站满了来购票的人。车站 is the station. 大厅 is a hall. 里 inside. 站 to stand. 满 full. 站满了 full of people who are standing. 来 to come. 人 people. 来购票的人people who come to buy tickets. 车站的售票大厅里站满了来购票的人。The ticketing hall is full of ticket buyers. The third word, 取票. 取 means to take, to draw, or to pick. 取票to collect tickets. 你好，请问外国人在哪里取票？你好 hello. 请问 please may I ask. 外国人 the foreigners. 在 at. 哪里 where. 你好，请问外国人在哪里取票？ Hello. May I know where can the foreigners collect their tickets? The fourth word, 退票. 退 means to move backward or to return. 退票 means to return a ticket or a return ticket. 对不起，发车以后不能退票。对不起 sorry. 发车 to start a vehicle and depart. 以后 after. 发车以后 after departure. 不能 cannot. 对不起，发车以后不能退票。Sorry, tickets are non-refundable after departure. The fifth word, 检票。检 from 检查 means to check. 检票 to inspect a ticket. 到检票口时，检票员会检票。到 means to arrive, to reach. 口 by itself means the mouth, the doorway, or the gate. 检票口 literally the gate where there's someone to inspect the ticket. It is the boarding gate. 员 is a personnel. 服务员 the service personnel. Therefore, 检票员 is the ticket inspector. 会 will, going to. 到检票口时，检票员会检票。When you reach the boarding gate, the ticket inspector will check your ticket. So, get ready with your ticket. 准备好你的票。Word number 6, 投票。投 means to cast or to throw into. 票 here means the ballot. 投票 means to vote. 请大家投票选出您心目中的人选。请 please 大家 everyone 选出 to select out 您 the polite form of you 心目中 in the heart and eyes and that means in the preference or opinion 人选 choice of person 请大家投票选出您心目中的人选。Please vote for your favorite candidates. Word number 7, 拉票。拉 means to pull. 拉票 literally means to pull the tickets to one's side. And that is how we say to campaign or to canvass for votes. 投票日当天不能为候选人拉票。投票日 the polling day. 当天 on the day. 为 for 候选人 election candidate. 投票日当天不能为候选人拉票。Canvassing is not allowed on polling day. The last word here is 发票. 发 means to issue or to send. 发票 is something unique to China. In daily conversation or daily life, 发票 means a receipt. However, in the context of business and trading, 发票 is an invoice. 麻烦你给我开一张发票，谢谢。麻烦 means trouble. 麻烦你 is the polite way to ask someone for a favor. It's similar to the English, may I trouble you? Sometimes we might also use 麻烦你了 to express our gratitude. 给 for, to. 开 to open, or here it means to issue. 谢谢 thanks. 麻烦你给我开一张发票，谢谢。Could you please issue me a receipt? Thanks. Alright, that's a character 票, which means tickets or ballots. I hope you enjoy learning from this video. If you do, please like our videos and subscribe to MandarinKit's channel for more videos. See you!